guys, hopefully you can hear me over the neighbor having some construction done on their house. But today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the throttle body on the Subaru WRX FA20 direct injection motor. This is the 2.0 liter, so it should work for all configurations. This is the 21 WRX. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to pry up the engine cover. All you do is just slide it under, it'll pop up, and then pick these up. And then I will show you the ratchets that you need next. Once you have the engine cover off, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and loosen this clamp here. And on this other side, there's another clamp right there. And then you're going to take a 10mm ratchet and unscrew the bolt there and the bolt there. And once I get past that, I will show you the next step. Alright, once you have all the bolts removed and the two clamps loosened, you can also remove these two also 10mm bolts here that will free this bracket, which then allows you to kind of wiggle the intercooler out. So I'm going to do that now, and that should give us access to the throttle body. Alright, after a few minutes of wiggling this and breaking the seal from the intercooler piping, finally have it off. I would recommend just wiggling it back and forth, up and down, whatever you want to do, until the seals get loose enough to break. Otherwise, it's pretty tough. So I also realized I've been saying 10mm this whole time. You need a 12mm ratchet. So anyway, now that I got myself corrected, once you have the intercooler out, it's going to expose this last little pipe here, which then will expose the throttle body. And as you can see, there's another clamp here, and we're going to take our flathead screwdriver, loosen that, and then this piece should come out and we'll have direct access to the throttle body. And so I'll go ahead and take this off and we'll see what it looks like. By the way, this is 30,000 miles on this car. We've had zero issues. Thinking about doing another video, but that's for another time. So let's get this last clamp off. All right, after a few more minutes of wiggling and trying to finagle this intercooler coupling out, finally got it loose. I would recommend spraying some of that throttle body cleaner on the top of it to get it to come loose, because if it's like us, we've never had this apart, so the seals on it were really stuck. So as you can see here, here's the throttle body. And it's not too bad. Technically, you could take out the entire throttle body and clean it front and back, but we don't have the gasket for it, and I don't really think that it's necessary since we're only at 30,000 miles, and it doesn't look that bad. So what I'm gonna do is just take the throttle body cleaner and just start spraying it all around in there. And as you can see, some of the gunk's coming out, so I need to start cleaning it. But you guys get the idea, so that's all I'm gonna do. Essentially, that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I'm hopefully gonna be making some more videos on the WRX, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next steps are literally just putting everything back together. So if you've gotten this far, you can definitely get to the end. So hopefully I saved you guys a couple $100 for doing this on your own. Peace out.